सो हे गाइस, वेलकम अगेन टू द न्यू वीडियो एंड आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पे गाइस। एज ऑफ द सीरीज हम लोग कर रहे हैं सी लैंग्वेज एंड आज की वीडियो में हम लोग करने वाले हैं कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स। जैसे कि मैंने आपको पिछले वाले क्लास में आपको बता दिया था व्हाट अबाउट द डेटा टाइप्स एंड कुछ फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर्स, बट हम लोग जो आज की वीडियो में थोड़ा और डीपली कवर कर रहे होंगे फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर्स एंड एस्केप सीक्वेंसेस को। अब ये चीज़ें क्या हैं हम अभी फर्दर जान रहे होंगे हमारे आने वाली स्लाइड्स में। तो मैं अब ज़्यादा वेस्ट ना करते हुए टाइम को, आपके टाइम की कदर करते हुए लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास। So in today's video, what we are gonna do is we will learn the format specifiers and the escape sequence. What actually format specifiers are, let's understand these. So if we go to the slide, let's see the format specifier. What actually format specifiers are? See, format specifier is one that says what format of data is taken from the user or printed on the screen. That's it. मतलब हम लोग यूजर को या फिर हम जो आउटपुट दे रहे होते हैं, लाइक व्हेन यू टेक अ इनपुट फ्रॉम द यूजर, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डाटा ही शुड or they should give to the system, that is dependent on the format specifier. And also what type of output is to be displayed on the output screen, that is also dependent on the format specifier. What type of format, like data type is used to declare a variable with sort of data, what type of data should be kept in it, also what type of data should be inserted inside it, and what type of data should be taken given output to the user. It's dependent on the format specifiers. So let's see. The format specifiers are used in C-lang for input and output purposes. Exactly, they are used for input and output purposes. Using this concept, the compiler can understand that what type of data is in a variable during taking input using the scanf function and printing using printf function. Exactly. With this, what actually happens is we can easily have the understanding of we can easily have the understanding of the scanf function and the printf function, right? Like what in a variable, what type of data is included inside it, that can be understood with these format specifiers. As we have discussed in the previous video where we have given you some sort of a format specifier. See, here I have listed few format specifiers which are actually mostly used in our C language. There are many, but few will be discussed in this class. See, among them, firstly I would say, in the last program, in the last previous class, we have discussed about the percentage n. What actually percentage n this do is it reads print nothing. Like what it do is it simply gives us next line character to the user. Okay, this is like a decimal value for things. And also see, percentage c takes, like see, percentage n, it reads something. Okay, like percentage d, what it does, it just takes integer type of data inside it. Like if we want to take an integer data in our variable or print an integer type of data, then we use percentage d. Okay, what percentage d is actually decimal, digit. It's a digit. D means digit. Digit is nothing but an integer. Also c, what does it see? C is a single character. A single character can be used by a percentage c. Okay, for a group of characters we use a string, but that is actually a data type. It is a derived data type, and we have discussed in the prior classes. We will be discussing it later. See here, this is the string percentage s. Percentage o, octal integer. I, it is a hexadecimal or octal integer. H is a short integer. For f we use a floating point. For g or small g or capital G we use a floating point number. Scientific notation these are. And percentage n we use read print type of things. Okay, for LF, that is a print double, long capital L and F, it is for print double. Okay, so these are things where we use this format specifiers. We will be doing up a program for this to understand the concept more deeply. Till then, keep a little patience. We will understanding everything easily. So format specifier are those to say that a variable having sort of data which is a type int or any type of data type which are available in C language. Okay, and also for use it for printing, and for printing is nothing but giving output, and scanning is nothing but taking input. So input and output purposes we use format specifiers. Is it clear? If it is clear, then do like, share this video and comment in the below what you have understood. So till then, let's get to the next slide. Escape sequences, friends. What are escape sequences? These are very important in our string functions. What are string functions? These are sort of tokens sort of things where a collection of characters we'll be discussing in the later classes. Till then, understand escape sequences are those helpful to escape a proper string. Like, escaping is nothing but sort of things which are help. See, if I just say you like in a program, you can see in the side, we write print later the printf function after the braces, we write that quotations, double quotations, right? If I say you just print that quotation, how would you print it? Is it possible for you to print it? Let's try. If you try it, then I would say that it is not possible to print them easily. It is only possible by using escape sequences. Or else if I say you just print a percentage symbol, that is not impossible. It is only possible with the escape sequences. Escape sequences are those which help to print those statements or those words which are not usually printable. So let's understand it with the next slide. See, escape sequences, in C are characters or the sequence of characters. It may be a character or a sequence of character that can be used inside a string literal. Exactly. These can be used inside a string literal. String is nothing but a type of token where we have collection of characters. Collection of characters. There are see, if a single symbol or letter or a number is there, it's a character. But if there is a collection where a number of series are there, like a name, okay, a word, a paragraph, then this is called a string. Simply remember for a while, but in a future we will be discussing the string in a detailed video. So till then, keep patience. The purpose of the escape sequence is to represent the characters. The main thing of the purpose of the escape sequence is to represent the character. Like if I say the paragraph what actually here present is, can you print the same thing? Is it possible for you? Like I should get the same output, like whatever this is. It's not possible actually. This is only possible with the help of escape sequences. We will see the few of the available escape sequences in C language. See, I have mentioned few of the escape sequences in this slide, like /n, which is used for new line character, /t for the horizontal tab, which gives a little space in between the words in the same line. %B is for backspace. As you know, backspace, right? We use backspace for cutting out things. Carriage return, it returns a sort of memory cache value. We will be discussing it in the later videos for detail when it is required. Till then, just keep in mind these are escape sequences helpful to represent the characters or a string literal. Audible bell, yeah, we can also use a bell. See, sometimes we use after we get an output or we run a program, there is a bell type of sound available in from our window or of our computer system speakers. This is only due to that this escape sequence available in our C language. Exactly. So then, what if we see this? So printing a single quotations can be easily possible with this escape sequence. We just need to keep a what we call it backslash and whatever the maybe quotations we need. So this is the thing, and we have a little more. You can just see it and understand. These are nothing but the escape sequences. Few of the in more useful things are written on the upper carriage. So let's get up into the program and understand them. In the next video, we will be doing out these things practically to understand the concept of escape sequences and the concept of printf, the format specifiers in detail. So if you got the video proper understanding and worth it, then do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel for the new videos upcoming, and also press the bell icon for the latest videos and the updates. Till then, take care and bye bye. Bye friends.